Alright, so the goal in section 1.2 is going to be to evaluate expressions and equations. So, to do that, first we have to know some vocabulary. First things we need to know is what is a variable and what is a constant. So a variable is just something that changes. So if you look at life, the weather changes, that's variable. Time changes, that's variable. Anything that changes is a variable. In math, we're going to show this using letters. So X, Y, Z, any letter is a variable. We can plug in different values for it. A constant is something that stays the same. And so in math, that's going to be any numbers. So like the number 1 is always the number 1. The number 5 is always the number 5. Then our other two vocabulary words are expression and equation. An expression is a math sentence with no equal sign. An equation is the same thing, but it does have an equal sign. So, for instance, 3x plus 4 is an expression. 3x plus 4 equals 11 is an equation because it has that equal sign. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is evaluate expressions. Notice they're expressions 8m and 3m squared because they do not have equal signs. The instructions will say something like, find the value of each expression, and in this case we're going to find it when m equals 5 and when m equals 9 for each problem. So for number 1, when m equals 5, I'm going to substitute the 5 in where the m is. Notice I put it in parentheses, and that way now I know 8 next to another number in parentheses means multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. Then I'm going to reevaluate it when m equals 9. Notice I have to put in the parentheses, otherwise it looks like 89. That's not right. Number next to another number in parentheses means multiply, so 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with my second expression. When m equals 5, I'm going to plug 5 in parentheses where the m was. Now I'm going to use order of operations, and exponents come before multiplication. So 5 squared is 25. Three times 25 is 75, and that's my final answer. When m equals 9, I have 3 parentheses 9 parentheses squared. 9 squared is 81. And then all I have left is 3 times 81, which is 243. Alright, on this page, here's some examples for you to try on your own. Go ahead and try them. If you and your partner get different answers on anything, let me know and I'll come over and help you.